Good morning to all Zendesk user. I think you'll be pretty excited about this one. We've built a much tighter integration between Fluents and the Zendesk ecosystem. As you can see here, this is your Zendesk interface. In some cases, you may be a Zendesk Talk user, you may not. If you are, as you know, you can set yourself offline. If you set yourself offline, you can have a whole team of agents, an AI agent answering the phone for you, have conversation, create tickets, and then eventually all this giving you specific insights. So in this application, at least for now, there's a couple parts. One is the high-level analytics on how the call went, who disconnected, etc. There's a lot more refined insights you can create in Fluents and use that for reporting. But at a high level here, you can look at the configurations of your agent. You have a little flag showing the language they're speaking. Fluent supports multiple language. You can look at the configuration and the prompt. All of this information is pulled directly from Fluents. And specifically here, you can look at the different skills attached to your agent. In this case, this agent is able to do appointments and is also omni-channel, meaning it can send text, or have other functions and interact with other channels, such as Zendesk. So you can look up the agent configuration here. The other thing that is useful is the ability to sync the calls that you've had or your agent had with Fluents. You can see all sorts of different information, such as the agent name. If you need for looking for tickets, or any other things, you can copy paste the agent ID very simply here, open the conversation. In this case, not much happening. Look at the log transcript of the conversation and some additional information here that could be useful for you. It's very easy, if you don't have a ticket already created for the conversation, to create a ticket with a simple click. You can also auto-create tickets. As soon as you have a conversation, it creates a ticket automatically into Zendesk for you to have that into a log and for your agent to follow up the day after. Finally, as you create tickets, we log the ticket number directly, and it gives you access to the ticket number and the log of the conversation of the transcript. In this case, not a very interesting conversation, not a whole lot happening, but you have the ability to call that person back immediately from the sidebar here as well. You also have the ability to look at all the customer interaction. All of this based on the number of the person that called or that you called. You could also, of course, with the click to dial, call directly with Zendesk. And then finally, here you'll see that you'll have access to all the different tags. You can create specific automations and triggers and whatnot based on all the tags. So that's the integration at a high level. We're looking at going a little bit deeper into the integration. The application is not public yet. We're looking at getting it published by Zendesk. But in the meantime, if you have any feedback or interest or anything you'd like to see, we'd love to hear the feedback. Have a good one, everybody.